जय श्रील प्रभुपाद। हरे कृष्ण नाम प्रभु की जय। Welcome all of you for the 48th session of Soulful Japa. Yesterday we discussed about the content in module 15, 14 and 15 put together, wherein the most important point of Srila Prabhupada giving us two processes to be simultaneously be followed to achieve perfection in life. One is the Bhagavata Vidhi and the other is the Pancharatrika Vidhi. Bhagavata Vidhi is a process of japa, hearing Bhagavatam, hearing Bhagavad Gita, is a process of Shravanam and Kirtanam. Then Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Archanam. Prabhupada also gave us deity worship. And also serving the Lord. Dasyam, serving the Lord. So, anyway, Pancharatrika Vidhi and Bhagavata Vidhi. And we said that Kali Yuga, the Yuga Dharma is through Sankirtana of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Japa, Sankirtana, Kirtana, these are all the fastest way of self-purification. Okay, ultimately, these are all for uncovering our true self and uncovering our Krishna consciousness. Our original consciousness is not material consciousness. My original consciousness is not this world consciousness. My original consciousness is Krishna consciousness, which is natural to me. So the Bhagavata process is the process of chanting and hearing, and especially through the process of, like we are doing japa. Parallelly, we do Bhagavata process, the Pancharatrika process. Pancharatrika process is for worshipping the deity in the temple and even at home, worshipping the deities. Worshipping the deities demands a lot of rules and regulations. Otherwise, we can easily do seva aparadha, as we had discussed. Offenses to the deity is called seva aparadha. Offenses to nama is called nama aparadha. If you are inattentive to the deity's presence and not respectfully serving them, then it would amount to disrespect, and that's an offense. Same way, just like inattentive chanting is disrespect to the presence of the Lord on your tongue, it becomes nama aparadha. But nama aparadha is more tolerated, and in spite of nama aparadha, if one is sincerely trying to reduce the nama aparadha, the inevitable nama aparadha that you happen to do due to your ignorance and due to your inabilities and due to your attention running away, etc., is pardoned by the Nama Prabhu, and whatever little attention you give, that much mercy he will give, and slowly our attention will become, we will start becoming, our inattentiveness to the holy name will stop. That is a mindful japa which we are talking about. So we are right now practicing mindful japa. And in the mindful japa, we ensure that we are connected to the Namavatara. Not only ensure that we are connected to the Namavatara, we are also, actually the Nama, our attention is touching the Aprakrita Nama also. Now this is an important thing today I want to talk about. How our attention is touching the Aprakrita Nama. Everybody knows attention is touching the Shakti Avesha Nama. if you are attentive. If you are attentive to Shakti Aveshanama, means you are connected to, there is attention connection to Nama, to Shakti Aveshanama. Not only attention connection, directly it's sense connection also. With your material ears, you are able to hear. So as far as Shakti Aveshanama is concerned, you have got connection through tongue. You are able to vibrate Shakti Aveshanama. You are able to hear, and you are able to also be attentive. That means attention. Your tongue is touching Shakti Aveshanama, ears are falling on the ears, and through the mind, because you have attention through the mind, it touches the mind, Shakti Aveshanama, and finally attention is touching the Shakti Aveshanama. Now the important point, where is the attention coming from? Attention is coming from the soul. Attention is coming from the soul. Then how are we, apart from touching Shakti Aveshanama, how do you say that we are touching God directly? Just like in the case of the deity, then we can bring it to Nama. Just like in the case of the deity, you are seeing the deities. That means your eyes is seeing the deity, external Vigraha, omnipotent Vigraha, you are seeing with your eyes. To see with your eyes, you have to have attention. That means you, through your attention, is seeing the form of the external Vigraha. Okay? The form of the external Vigraha is falling on your consciousness screen, right? And you are seeing. And what does the Shastras reveal? The transcendental form of the Lord takes a form that resembles the external Vigraha and is overlapping the external Vigraha. But that form is Aprakrita forma, which is, Aprakrita means is transcendental. So with your material eyes, you are not touching it. You cannot touch with your senses. External Vigraha you can touch. But ultimately my attention is on the features of the external Vigraha. What is the face cut of Radharani? What is the face cut of Krishna in a particular deity? I am seeing. That means my attention is seeing that face cut. My attention is seeing the beauty. And my attention is seeing the smile. My attention is seeing the beautiful decoration of the deity. And what is revealed? What is the secret revealed? Yes, the Aprakrita Nama, the transcendental Lord, the transcendental Archa Vigraha. Is present there. So attention can touch that. But we are insensitive now. Otherwise we will be in bliss. So we do have a connection directly through the features of the external Vigraha. Through the features of the external Vigraha, my attention goes further into the features of the Aprakrita Vigraha. That means we are touching, my attention is touching both the external Vigraha, through the external Vigraha is touching the eternal Vigraha also, Satchidananda Vigraha also. This is now the reason, as per I have discussed in module 16, this is the reason why Lord takes a form that resembles the external Vigraha. Because my attention is on the external Vigraha. And as far as personality is concerned, It is the features that determine the uniqueness of the personality. Radha Krishna Chandra, Radharani of Krishna Chandra is unique features. Radharani of Vrindavan, Vrindavan Chandra is unique. Radha Madhava is unique. Unique personality, unique looking means unique personality. So you touch Radharani by that uniqueness. And this is happening because of the attention. So our attention is not only, that is why it is said, attention, giving attention is so important. It's so important. It is through attention connection and attention embrace that the association happens like the iron in the fire. And that how does that attention come? Attention, where there is chesta, there attention will come. So therefore we came to Kriya Chesta and Jnana Chesta. Then there is attention. When you want to do something and know something, then attention goes there. So here we are doing the sound and knowing the sound. God is so kind, Krishna is so kind that okay, you can do and hear a material sound. I will come into that, no. When you attentively hear and chant that sound, though your tongue cannot touch me transcendentally, because I am transcendental, but your attention is transcendental, attention is spiritual energy, your attention can touch me. Lot of faith you will develop if you understand this principle. That is the reason why I am explaining. To understand the significance of being attentive. It is through attention that we can touch the Lord. At least the initial touch. That touch develops into, further quality touch in terms of faith and devotion and all those things. But connection itself is established. In other words, I'll tell you very simple. Like Prabhupada says, simply chant and hear, chant and hear, chant and hear. How I am not thinking of anything, I don't have any knowledge, and I am not thinking of Krishna conscious philosophy, nothing. And it is said that just by hearing, chanting and hearing, all perfection is achieved. It is true because if you think, just like if I take food through my mouth, I don't have to do anything else. The food will go inside, it will convert into energy, it will convert into body, and my body will grow. And I'll be alert. Suppose for many days I am fasting, all my senses will go weak. I'll be tired. All karma indriya, jnana indriya, all will be weak. Moment I give food to the stomach, food goes inside and it distributes energy all over the body. All my senses are enlivened. And the food I cannot put it through nose, I have to put it through my mouth. There are many holes. I have to put it through a particular designated way. Then only it goes into me. Similarly, I have only one mouth now in the spiritual mouth in this material world. What is that? Attention. I can put anything into my soul only through my attention. And nothing material you can put through. It will not go through. But if there is something spiritual, if I put through the attention, it will go through. Where it will go through? Go through into my soul. Just like it goes into my food, goes into my body, it goes into myself, my soul. So Harinama, when we chant Harinama attentively, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, you can say that you are You are taking in Nama into your soul, like eating food. It goes inside and then it nourishes, isn't it? Food goes inside and nourishes us. This is the pleasure, this is the Ananda, inexplicable Ananda when you do concurrent chanting, come hearing for 16 rounds without break of attention. What are you doing? Your soul is eating spiritual food. I don't want to use the word eating. Hearing. Hearing is taking in, right? Chanting is offering a service, giving out. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Many times I explain this. Chanting Hare Krishna is like you create this, you generate this vibration with your tongue. That is a seva. Lord descends into that Shabda. That Shabda becomes Shakti Avesha Shabda. Along with the Shaktiman. Together through your attention, your hearing. When you hear with attention, it not only it goes through your Chittam, mind, on entire subtle body, ears, gross body. Through the mind, it goes through the entire subtle body. Subtle body is cleansed because the Shakti Avesha Nama has all the Shakti. The touch of mind touching the Shakti Avesha Nama, it purifies. It doesn't end there because soul is attention is originating from the soul. Or Nama enters. This is a satisfaction you feel, just like when you eat, when you are hungry, man. When you eat food, you feel satisfied. Nobody has to prove to you. Neither can you explain that satisfaction. No, I'm happy. Can you explain your satisfaction? No, I'm happy. I'm full. This is the same way. You chant 16 rounds, that satisfaction that you get. Like I always used to give one toffee after Hare Krishna, bead after bead. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama. One toffee, one more I want, one more I want. Actually, the soul would want. Because it's hungry, soul is hungry. Soul wants to touch the Supreme Spirit, and you are touching the Supreme Spirit. God has incarnated as a holy name. So you touch the Supreme Spirit, there is no opportunity. Everywhere you look, you give your attention everywhere. Only matter. There is no spirit. And here God says, I incarnate. I'll give you an opportunity to touch spirit, not only spirit, Supreme Spirit. I myself will come. Archa Vigraha. Appreciate that. You simply appreciate the external Vigraha. You automatically appreciating me. You attentively chant Hare Krishna, Shakti Avesha Nama on your tongue. You are also chanting and hearing me. I will take it as hearing me, though you cannot experience. I will take it as you are chanting and hearing me, because your mind wants to chant and hear. So you are giving chesta. Chesta is from the soul. Chesta of chanting and chesta of hearing is going on. With chesta and attention, you can touch me. So now, not only the idea of touching, I am saying that the Lord goes inside us, soul, and we feel, that is the satisfaction we feel. So whenever we are chanting Hare Krishna, please, another concept that you have to remember, which gives you a lot of satisfaction, is like, just like eating prasadam. The soul is taking in, hearing. Hearing is like eating. Eating is to the mouth, hearing is another input, isn't it? So hearing feeds the soul. What happens when you feed the soul? When I feed, my whole body gets nourished. I get strength. Similarly, chanting Hare Krishna every day 16 rounds gives us spiritual bala, gives us spiritual ananda, atma ananda, atma bhala. Because it is this Hare Krishna, Krishna Nama is atma ahara. So you don't need simple logic, simple philosophy is enough. Just like I eat food, this I have to eat 16 rounds, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. That's why Prabhupada goes on and where is the question of mind? Mind can only be an obstruction. Lord himself is present. Just chant and just eat. No, suppose I give food before you. You eat the food. No, I need the mind to eat. Why you need the mind to eat? Just simply eat, enjoy, chant, just eat, taste. Just put in the mouth, do. Do and know the taste. Do and know the taste. Ho gaya. Why? I don't need for me to eat. I don't need my mind. So my mind has to assist me. So importance we give to the mind. That's what Prabhupada says. Chanting, perfection of chanting means ignoring the mind. Heart chants. Heart chants means the soul chants. Initially, no feelings, no doubt. As you feed this nama into your heart, that's why Prabhupada says Krishna consciousness is not artificial imposition on the mind. Krishna consciousness is our original consciousness that we awaken. Just simply we wake up, that's all. That waking up strength, that energy, just like a fasting man. Once you give him food, slowly he will wake up, his senses are, now my eyes are opening. I can hear, I can move my tongue. Because you have energy in the body. In the same way, we are all spiritually starving. The material world, all jivas are material, spiritually starving because of not touching Krishna. They have to touch spirit, they have to touch Krishna, and Krishna has come as a Harinama, and Harinama, Satchidananda, Surya of Satchidananda, most merciful Lord. I'll come as an ordinary sound which your tongue can move. Forget Kali Yuga, you have to make elaborate puja, this thing, that thing, take bath, all those things, nothing. I don't have money to buy a deity, I don't have money to do all those things, I don't even have a house to keep the deity, all these things. Don't worry, sir. I'll simply, you have a tongue. Move your tongue, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Into that vibration I'll come. You don't have to buy a deity, you don't have to do all those things. Whenever Kirtaniya Sada Hari, moment you utter my name, I will come and I'll facilitate a divine touch. Japa is a continuous divine touch of Supreme Divine Krishna himself. Krishna and Krishna Nama is not different. Shakti Avasya Nama and the Aprakrita Nama are like the body and the soul, as I told you many times. Very easy, never separate them. So this is the thing. So let me, one nice, okay, put up that slide. One table. Once again, I am reminding all of you, the three components you can think of. The absolute Shuddha Nama, who is the, first let's see the middle one. The pure original spiritual, that is about Archavatara. The pure original spiritual Satchidananda form of Krishna in the spiritual world, who is the source of all expansion incarnation. He is the Avatari. Avatari is the one who is, from whom the Avatara is originating. So in the case of deity, the original Satchidananda form of Krishna is the actual form of Krishna in the spiritual world. He takes on as many unlimited deity forms are there, that many deity forms he expands into, just like he expands into so many Narayanas and so many Vishnus and all that which we describe. In the same way that Krishna again expands himself personally into Radha Krishna Chandra, Radha Vrindavan Chandra, unlimited on this earth. There are unlimited Archa Vigrahas, Archa Murtis. So many incarnations are there to facilitate. Now what happened? The expansion of Avatari is the Aprakrita Archavatara. That means transcendental Archavatara. Why we are saying differentiating? Because there is an external Archavatara meant for our senses. It's an access for us. Access to whom? Because Lord is transcendental. To Aprakrita Archavatara, whose nature is spiritual, 100%, is not at all material. And Satchidananda. But it is having features that resemble the features of the external deity or Aksha Vigraha. Very important. Because only if the features are resembling, when I put attention on these features, then the overlapping features also I am putting attention. Because in the deity, two features are there. The external Vigraha's feature and the transcendental resembling features which is overlapping on them. Your material eyes can see only one, but your attention can see both. Your attention can touch both. And by touching with your attention, devotion and faith, technically you may say attention. Technically attention can only touch Shakti Avashanama and impersonally touch Aprakrita Vigraha. But the moment there is some faith and some devotion, then there is an embrace of Aprakrita Archavatara also. Because without Shraddha, you can touch Shakti Avashanama, your attention. Moment Shraddha comes, that's what I said, soulful japa, when it begins, that is when your touch of, you start feeding your soul. The Nama starts feeding your soul. External, third component, external deity Vigraha that we have carved out of matter and made potentially omnipotent by the Aprakrita Vigraha. So these are the three parts. Similarly in the Nama, the absolute Shuddha Nama who is the avatari in the spiritual world, which is of Aprakrita nature or spiritual or transcendental nature, nothing to do with material nature, is not a material sound at all. It is self-sounding, self-effulgent, self-manifest, self-conscious sound, Shuddhanama. You don't need a material tongue to vibrate it to make it sound. It manifests and unmanifests on its own. It has its own will. It means he has his own will. That sound has his own will. So he is called, Shuddhanama is called the avatari. What is the next component? That avatari expands into Aprakrita Nama, avatara on millions of tongues with the same feature as the sound vibrated by those tongues. To give a very crude example, suppose you have mango juice. You put it in a Bisleri water, you will see that takes the shape of that. You pour that water into a balloon. It takes the shape of the water takes the juice takes the shape of a balloon. You pour it in another, let us say, a bowl. The juice takes the shape of the bowl. But juice is the same or not? Yes. The same way, Shuddha Nama is same as Aprakrita Nama. The Archa Rupa, the transcendental Archa Avatara is having the same features as the external Vigraha. But just like I said, the juice is same. It is the original form of the Lord himself. You should not differentiate. You are seeing Krishna, meaning you are seeing Krishna, you are seeing Radharani. Juice is the same, form is different. That is the difference. Somebody asked difference question between avatari and avatara. Both are transcendental and Shakti Avaisha. Avatari and avatara, what is the difference? The difference is they are same. They are just another expansion. Avatari is another expansion in a different form. So the avatari nama of the material world, whose nature is aprakrita or spiritual, whose features are resembling the sound vibrated by the tongue is called the Aprakrita Namavatara. So, on the tongue, who is there? God Himself is there. Transcendental, Lord Himself is there. That is Aprakrita Nama. He Himself is there. And because He is there, the sound that you are vibrating, in the same sound form He is there. And the sound that you are hearing and you are moving with your tongue becomes empowered, omnipotent sound. That is the last part. Aprakrita Nama, taking on features identical to the external sound produced with our material. When I am attentive on the external sound, automatically I am being attentive on the Aprakrita Avatara. Making the sound potent, omnipotent. Shakti Avashanama for the time being. Now come to the last column. I can't read that. Now you see example of electricity and copper wire. Avatari can be compared to the electric power generator or the source of electricity. Now, next expansion. This can be compared to the electrical powerhouse or electricity distributing center. And the final external Vigraha, this can be compared to the electrified copper wire caused by infusion of electricity into copper. So this electrical wire example, these are all given by Srila Prabhupada. Post office example, Prabhupada has given small post boxes and GPO. And Prabhupada says small post box is GPO only. 10,000 kilometers away, the letter will go what you put here. So, now one very nice Kevala Ashtakam it is called, very beautiful Kevala Ashtakam. I want to read that. It is a composition by Nilakanta Goswami. His period is not known, but it's such a beautiful song it is. He is from Vrindavan and it's called Kevala Harinama Kevala Ashtakam Madhuram Madhurebhyo, and it is in Sanskrit. Just we'll read and then we'll read the meaning also. Please go to the first one. Okay, I'll read the first. Madhuram Madhurebhyo api Mangalebhyo api Mangalam Pavanam Pavanebhyo api Harirnamaiva Kevalam. More sweet than all other sweet things, more auspicious than all other auspicious things. The greatest purifier of all purifying things. The holy name of Sri Hari alone is everything. Harirnamaiva Kevalam. Next. Abrahmastamba Paryantam Sarvam Mayamayam Jagat Satyam Satyam Punas Satyam Harirnamaiva Kevalam. The entire universe from exalted Brahma down to the lowly clump of grass is a product of illusory energy of the Supreme Lord. The only thing that is reality, again I say reality. The holy name of Sri Hari alone is everything. Harirnamaiva Kevalam. Beautiful, beautiful. Shri Saguru Sapita Chapi Samata Bandhau Api Saha Sikshaye Chit Sada Smartam Harirnamaiva Kevalam. That person is a true preceptor or a true father, a true mother, and a true friend. Also only if they teach one to always remember. The holy name of Sri Hari alone is everything. That means the holy name is a true preceptor, is a true father, is a true mother, true friend. Harirnamaiva Kevalam, Harirnamaiva Kevalam. Harinama only. Next, fourth one. Nishvasena hi vishwasaha kadarudho bhavishyati kirtaniya mato bhalyad harirnamaiva kevalam. There is no certainty when the last breath will come and put an abrupt halt to all one's material plans. Therefore, it is wise to always practice chanting from the very childhood. The holy name of Sri Hari alone is everything. Hare Namaiva Kevalam. Fifth, Harihi Sada Vaset Tatra Yatra Bhagavata Janah Gayanti Bhakti Bhavena Hare Namaiva Kevalam. Lord Hari eternally dwells in that place where truly exalted, spiritually advanced souls sing in the mood of pure devotion. Gayanti Bhakti Bhavana. And He is there. The holy name of Sri Hari alone is everything. Aho dukkam mahadukkam dukkha dukkatharam yataha Kachattam vismritam ratna Hare Namaiva Kevalam. Oh, what a sorrow, what a sorrow. More painful than any other misery in the world, mistaking it as a mere piece of glass. The people have forgotten this jewel. The holy name Sri Hari of Sri Hari alone is everything. Hare Namaiva Kevalam, Hare Namaiva Kevalam. Next. Diyatam diyatam karno niyatam vachaha giyatam nityam Harer Namaiva Kevalam. Heard again and again with one's ears. It should be heard again and again with one's ears. It should be uttered over and over with one's voice. Diyatam Karno means ears. It should be heard again and again with one's ears. Niyatam vachaha. It should be uttered again and again. It should be perpetually sung. Giyatam nityam. Harer Namaiva Kevalam. And sung anew. Sung and sung again and again anew. The holy name of Sri Hari alone is everything. Trinikritya Jagat Sarvam Rajate Sakalopari Chidanandamayam Shuddham Harer Namaiva Kevalam. It makes the entire universe seem insignificant as a blade of grass. It reigns supreme over all in a splendorous manner. It is full of eternally conscious divine ecstasy. It is supremely pure. The holy name of Sri Hari alone is everything. That was the eighth one. So this is a very beautiful thing and beautiful composition, and I have provided it in after module number 16. Please enjoy it, read again. It is just like the one after module 15, where I have written the what Krishna himself says about his Nama, which we read last time. So now let us do our daily japa. And today I want to show you, this is Srila Prabhupada's Japamala. I was fortunate to receive this from one Maharaj. He very kindly presented to me, because he said this is safest in your hands. So Srila Prabhupada's mercy, this is Srila Prabhupada's Japamala. So let us do our japa today. Sri Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharane Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shiva Sadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
You simply hear. When you say Hare Krishna, you try to hear the very sound.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
You simply chant Hare Krishna and try to hear the sound. That's all.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
When you chant, you must hear also.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
While chanting, you must hear. Hare Krishna, you must give attention to hear.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare.
As soon as you chant Hare Krishna, you hear it, then your mind becomes locked up.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare
So, we'll take some questions quickly. Hare Krishna Prabhu. What is the meaning of self knowledge used here? That is self knowledge. Self means who I am, who small self and big self. Who I am, who Krishna is, the big self, the supreme person, and knowledge about my relationship with him. That means knowledge about my real home. That is self knowledge. So self knowledge is awakened by Nama through our attention going into our soul. How does the Nama go into our soul? How does the Satchidananda enter into the soul? Through contact. And what is the contact? Is attention. How does the iron become red hot? Through contact with fire, touch. So what flows into the iron molecules is the heat, light. In the same way, Supreme Spirit, when we touch, what goes inside us is Satchidananda energy. And the soul is Satchidananda. A Satchidananda soul needs what? Satchidananda food, no? My material body needs what? My material food. Panchabhuta food in different ways it goes and my Panchabhuta body is alert. Similarly, Satchidananda has to go into our heart through attention, then what do you feel? Then we feel that Atma Jnana, self to self knowledge is called Atma Jnana. If you chant and hear properly, you will experience Atma Jnana, you will experience Atma Shanti, you will experience Atma Shakti, spiritual Bala. You will experience Atma Prema. Because that is love of Krishna. So simple, the philosophy is so simple. Contact, it has to flow. It is not like a fire and iron, they are impersonal. But here, bhakti depends on your devotion, faith, more Satchidananda flows inside. Bhaktya mam abhijanati, only through bhakti. So though attention is touching, if there is devotion, if there is faith, if there is begging, if there is crying, if there is total dependence on the Nama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If there is a feeling of surrender towards this Nama Prabhu, is a feeling of surrender towards the Shabda, Nama Shabda, immediately there is reciprocation. Ye tamam prapadyanse tam sute vajamiham. Krishna responds to bhakti. So, next, you told that we should offer food to Guru first, not to the Lord. You have to, I didn't say not to the Lord. First to the spiritual master, who will offer it to the Lord. When you offer it to Guru, it is meant to be offered to the Lord. Because the Guru has, the paddhati, the vidhi is that, puja vidhi is that, you should offering everything to Guru. Through Guru it should go. So Guru offers. So when we do Arati, we first offer to Srila Prabhupada. It's not that he is consuming it. He is not consuming. You give bhoga to the Lord, not that he is eating it. The Archana Paddhati is like that. You offer to him. We have no direct access to the Lord. For me, he is as good as Krishna. I'll offer it to him. He'll take it to Gauranga. Gauranga will give it to Krishna. So our process is we offer everything to Lord, to Guru, spiritual master, and then we show the flowers to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Again we show through, everything is through. And then having gone through Guru and Gauranga, now we offer to Radharani, then we offer to Krishna. You can reach Krishna only through this process. So every item in the Arati we offer to everybody from Guru onwards. Once you told about here one string having your head in the right side and another string well having head in the left side, it worked for me wonderfully. It worked for you wonderfully, that is why I said it. For different people, different things work for holding the attention. I know what you are saying. You must have told you are not able to concentrate. I told, okay. When you chant, one string, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna. It made you think, it made you hear, no? That is why I said. But better directly, now that Prabhupada's golden japa, golden command and diamond command you have heard, simply follow that. Simply think, make japa very simple, don't complicate it. You don't say japa is even 108 times I have to do. Because Prabhupada is every 15, 16 beats he is coming and telling to you. So what is my problem? Like I am like a child. My guru is telling me, okay, I'll chant. Chant and hear the exactly same sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare. Guru is so kind that before, by the time he knows I will forget after 16, again after 16 beats he is telling, chant and hear the same. Okay, again, yes, Prabhupada. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna. Again after 18 malas, again he knows he will be sleeping. Again he says, chant and hear. Again you hear. So continuously Prabhupada, with the association of Prabhupada, we are finishing mala after mala after mala after mala, 16 rounds. You do this for 30 days, it becomes, and then after that, all these 5-6 times, Prabhupada will automatically, same instruction will come. Reminder will come from Prabhupada. Chant and hear, chant and hear, chant and hear. And in this way, you will be locked up in the japa. Pure devotee's body is spiritual or is it spiritualized? See, when something is spiritualized, it's as good as spiritual, no? So, spiritual and spiritualized. It is spiritual. It is not his original body. That you should understand. It is spiritual. Just like Lord takes an incarnation, in the same way, just like Shakti Avasya Nama. Nama takes the incarnation on a sound that you produce on your tongue. Similarly, the body which we see of the spiritual master external Vigraha, it is spiritualized due to the spirit of Srila Prabhupada, who is having a form which is having a spiritual form which looks like Prabhupada externally. That is why even today that deity is worshipped. Why it is worshipped? Because it's no longer a form of a deity external. That form is adopted by the soul. And it has become his eternal Leela form. So anytime you worship him, Prabhupada is recognized in that particular form. And he receives that service in that form. The deity of Srila Prabhupada is Krishna, is deity himself. Okay. So he is spiritualized, just like the fiberglass deity or whatever deity, Panchaloha deity we have of Prabhupada in the temples. Is it spiritual or spiritualized? It is spiritualized. Then what is spiritual? There is an identical transcendental form resembling that deity residing there. That is spiritual. That is spiritual. This is spiritualized. Just like external Vigraha of the deity spiritualized, and there is his spiritual. Of these 27 days of training, I have been able to chant nicely for 5 to 7 days, and for the rest of the days I was able to, you have not completed it. Question. Will one not require to touch Aprakrita Nama through Shakti Avesha Nama after one gets purified, doing Shuddha Nama Seva? As you said, Prakrita vanishes, Aprakrita Nama exists as we stop vibrating. Yes. You see, at least the deity you make, same external Vigraha remains there for a long time. Okay, external Vigraha. Till some world war happens or this or that or this, we do not know. It's the Lord's wish. If he wants, the deity can be permanently also in this material universe, the external Vigraha. It can be, he will go under the earth and this and that, and then after 500 years they will discover. It's left to the Lord what he wants. It is his Leela, with what he wants to do with this external Vigraha. So, the external Vigraha remains for a long time, so you see some stability. Now, what is the external Vigraha of Nama? Hare Krishna, you say, its existence is only when you chant. Because its function is only in that much only. Its function is limited to when you hear. When you hear, it purifies you. When you hear, then through that, the Aprakrita Nama can come into your soul. When a pure devotee is doing his japa, Shakti Avesha Nama is doing, no doubt. But simultaneously Shuddha Nama also he is doing, Aprakrita Nama is doing. His doing of Aprakrita Nama, doing and hearing of Aprakrita Nama just like I have specs. I see through the specs. While seeing this through the specs, I don't remember the glasses. Do I see the glasses? No, I don't see. I see what I have to see through the glasses. Similarly, pure devotee, when he sees a deity, transcendental, when he sees a deity, the external vigraha of the deity is just like this glass. He doesn't focus on that. His rasa is with the transcendental deity. When a neophyte sees, the glass is disturbing him. Because first few days, let us say, first few days when after eye testing, you are told you have to put a glass. Few days you are very conscious of your glass. You are seeing through the glass. After some time, the glass you don't even remember, you see. So this is a way to see the deity through rasa. See the nama, aprakrita nama with shraddha. Through shraddha, through Shakti Avashanama. Okay. Now, when aprakrita nama descends into archa form, the spiritualized form can be seen by common people, yes. When Lord himself descended in his original form as Krishna, how people in general are seeing him? Yeah, even though he came in the original form, Atmamaya potency is arranging for Virata to have a same Leela performed so that you can see it with your eyes also. Same thing. Otherwise you cannot see Krishna. He is Satchidananda. Atmamaya makes it as, but he does not take a limited chunk of body like me and you. The entire material universe with the super soul, everything that is at his service. So for people who see, not that he is performing activities with this Virata body in Avatara. He is always performing his activity in his original transcendental body. But the Virata form of the Lord is what we can see. Normal people can see. So therefore, Yogamaya arranges a duplicate activity of the transcendental body to be enacted through the Virata form that we are able to see. And that is not, in one sense, it is not material. Because once you take the entire material energy is spiritual. So therefore it is said that Lord does not take a material energy because for him everything is spirit. And that is why he said when he wound up his form, Prabhupada says, he leaves his Virata body. Pure devotees, Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena, when he is here, Kamsa also saw. Did the beauty of Krishna strike him? No. The gopis saw the way the beauty of Krishna was revealed to them. It was not revealed to Yogamaya Samavritaha. He is covered. That means everybody saw him. But who saw his transcendental original body? Only bhakti you could see. Only devotees could see. Asuras could not see. Asuras were fighting with this Virata body. And Krishna is wrestling with Kamsa and all. It's the Virata body, which is wrestling. But his transcendental body, all his leelas are out of his transcendental body, but they cannot touch Krishna's Satchidananda Vigraha. Kamsa cannot touch. The restless could not touch. Only by bhakti you can touch. Atasi Krishna namadi nabhaved grahyam indriye. His body cannot be touched. His sight cannot be touched. His sound cannot be touched with our material eyes, material ears, etc. Okay. Thank you very much. Jai Srila Prabhupada.